And so this video is about finding a photo to use in Photoshop and just kind of give you, I know everybody knows how to use image search, but I wanted to give you a few tricks that will help you to be successful. So here I am in Google, and I am going to say, that I want a tiger. Okay. And I'm going to go to images, my tigers, and of course I could get, a snow tiger, a baby tiger, a blue tiger. I could get any of those. But here's what I want to do to limit this. I want to go into the tools here, okay? And the most important thing I want to do is I want to choose large. Actually, let me make sure you can see this. For the size, I want to make it large. And so what I mean by that is that I want it to be high resolution. I want it to be a large file, so a high quality file. So I'm going to put in here that I want a large file. So that limits, these are all quite a bit larger. And the other thing I want to do is go into here to usage rights. And I want to say that I want a Creative Commons licenses. So I want ones that I can use. So I'm going to, they might be owned by someone else, but they're not, they're allowing me to use it. So look at all these photos. And right now, these are all thumbnails. They are smaller files than the original. So I just kind of want to show you a couple things. So let's say I click on this one, and then here it shows up here, okay? And so this is what we would want to download. So I want to kind of show you what the difference is between a thumbnail, the size of a thumbnail, and the size of a download. So I'm going to look for a full body photo of a tiger. And I don't know why I'm having trouble finding one. But let's say this is going to be my tiger. Okay. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to get some important information. Oh, this is a really big one. It's 3000 by 2004. So we're looking for a picture that's at least 1000 by 1000. Okay. So this is a really high quality raster image. And I'll talk later about the difference between raster and vector. But so this was the thumbnail. So I want to show you something. I'm going to right click on the thumbnail, and I'm going to say save image as. And I'm going to say, I'm going to do this as thumbnail tiger. Okay. And I'm going to press enter. Okay. So now I'm going to go over here. This is the same one, right? And I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to save this as download tiger. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to go down here at the very bottom. If you're not used to a PC, we're looking for this file. It's similar to File Finder in a Mac, and we're going to click on it. And I want you to look right now. I'm in View Details, so I can see the size of the files. And these files are really different in size. The download tiger, the one that I actually clicked on and downloaded, is 995 KB, and thumbnail is a really tiny file. So what does that mean? So let me kind of show you why that matters. I'm going to go into Photoshop, and I am going to do File, Open. And I'm going to click on both of these. I'm going to hold down the control button and click on both. So thumbnail tiger, download tiger. And I'm going to open them. And here they are. And look at thumbnail tiger. It's very tiny. Look at download tiger. It's very big. And so what does that mean? Does that mean anything? Look at thumbnail tiger. If I use my navigator, I'm like, that's too small. I want to make it big. It gets pixelated really, really quickly. It's a low quality image. But I want you to see what happens with download tiger. First of all, it looks gorgeous right now. And I can get pretty close before it starts getting pixelated. Okay. So we are looking for a high quality image, not a low quality image. So I just wanted to demonstrate that, and I want you to try that. You don't have to search for a tiger, but you could. And I want you to try to find a high quality image, a very large file to put into Photoshop.